हेलो
हेलो
हेलो सुशांत सर
हेलो मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
सर
गुड
गुड आफ्टरनून
आफ्टरनून
सर हाँ जी गुड आफ्टरनून सर आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन हाउ आर यू
मैम। एब्सोल्युटली फाइन।
थैंक यू
मैम सुरेंद्र सर कब तक ज्वाइन करेंगे?
एक्चुअली
हेलो।
आई विल टेक टुडेज सेशन सर
ओ हेलो मैम, कैसे हैं आप? गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून
तो मैम, यू आर
आप
टेकिंग
बताइए
डिस्कशन?
हाँ जी क्या
You
आप
okay? Okay,
बताइए
okay. Sure, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. Actually, there are some voice disturbance and in my case.
ओके
So, dear participants, good afternoon to everyone, and welcome you again in this evening session of Faculty Development Program of Indira Gandhi University. So, this session is our session expert is with us. Ma'am Poonam Panchal, and ma'am, should I make you host and then?
यस सर
Okay,
प्लीज
okay,
प्लीज
sure, ma'am. Ma'am, now you are host. Respected participants, only use hand raise option only when you have any queries, and you are also requested to to ask your queries after a half session at least, so that we can cover more and more of this topic. So over to you, ma'am.
thank you Sushant sir thank you so much and welcome all the participants good afternoon and congratulations as we have completed 3 days of our workshop and we have 3 more days including today and we will try to speed up more and cover our content that we have declared for this workshop and let me just share my screen. My screen is visible to everyone. Shushank sir? Megha? Okay. I'm unmuting few participants actually. Hello? Hello? Please, somebody respond me if anyone can hear me and my screen is visible to everyone or not. Okay. Hello, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible,
I'm
ma'am,
audible?
and the screen is
Okay.
also visible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Screen is
keeping you
also visible, ma'am.
unmuted. Hanji. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So that I can hear from your side also, and I can also come to know whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to you. And
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
please, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome, ma'am.
So, dear participants, until now we have learned few things about Moodle, and we also learn about creating our account on Moodle Cloud and Genomio, where we can host our classes, host our courses, and as we have reached the third day, we will try to complete all the uh, contents that we have given in our brochure, like resource part. And after completing the resource part, we will be then moving to the assignments and activity part. So I will try to complete our resource part. Resources are the content that we share our with our students, and these content students read or take the information, but in resource students don't engage, don't involve activities like discussions, chats, or or quiz. These helps us to get engaged or let our students involve in our course. So the first part is sharing your content or resources in your course, in your class itself. uh, Till I'm logging, I will also show you. These are the steps we have completed. Like we now have a good idea about what is a dashboard, and the course layout, and the editing icons. Editing icons are the icons which we enable by clicking the at turn editing on setting, and after that we can view the editing icons that enable us to change our course, to add activities, and edit all kind of settings. We also have learned how to add and edit text in our course. We also have learned how to drag and drop. If you mistakenly added an activity in any of other section of your course, you can simply drag and drop that activity or resource anywhere in your course. It is as simple as that. So I also had uh, we also had completed your sharing URL and creating pages, but I got few queries about URL part. So I will repeat it today as well, and we will do other options like okay, Surendra sir also had given us idea about course category, assignment, forums, and grades. These were the most important part of our class or our course, giving assignments, creating forums, giving your students grading how to you can grade your students, and analyzing that grades as well. And now today we are going to complete these few steps, like uploading files, what are labels, how we can tag our courses, what are the role of tags, and now uh, books. You can also create books, micro books or lengthy books, whatever you wanted to share, and that will be printable books that you will create on this course, and blogs. These are few steps that are also very important for our course. So let me take straight to our course where I have posted my course. It's taking a little bit time.
Ma'am, can I help you?
Yes, please.
Uh, what are you finding for?
No, no, I am just actually I was trying to log in into First Tech Lab, but I am not able to go there
Okay.
actually. So
Please
I am
continue.
editing my course that we have created in spikage genomio.com.
Okay, okay, okay. Please.
Okay. So I am into my course that is English spoken that I have created in spikage.genomio.com itself. Okay. So first I wanted to edit the name of this course. I wanted to give another name. I'm giving it a Linux operating systems. So I renamed my course from spoken English to Linux operating system, and now I'm into editing mode. Here you can see the course is designed as weekly view. I can change all my settings from here, edit setting, and I can change which type of the format I wanted to give, like course format, weekly format, or single
Ma'am,
activity.
uh,
Yes,
ma'am, Poonam ma'am,
yes.
please share your Genomius screen. In fact,
Okay,
your PPT
my
is
Genomio screen is not visible.
no, no, no. Your PPT is visible.
Okay,
It
okay,
should,
okay. Wait a minute, ma'am. Thank you for telling me. Okay, I am not able to share my screen again. Rani ma'am,
ma'am, your screen is not
uh,
visible.
Bama ma'am. Actually, I am not able to share my screen.
Okay, okay. I'm
MeeraBamba
allowing.
ma'am is
No, no, I'm
host
allowing
right
you.
now.
I'm allowing you. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
he's permit me to host my screen. Okay.
Ma'am, please share your screen.
Hanji, yes, sure.
Ma'am, please.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you
Yes.
are audible.
And okay. And my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible now.
Okay. So I have created a course on spikes.genomia.com and I renamed it from here the gear button. That gives me permission to add it or change any kind of things into my course. Like if I wanted to change the name of the course, I have to go here, edit setting. I'm already into the settings, and I have changed name from here. Okay, course name. I can give a short name to my course so that it will be helping me when I or my audience or students will be searching using search course. And there are tags that also help your students and participants to search your course. I will also show you how you can give tags. And these are the category. We can create categories, and we can put our course under these categories. Like I can create a computer information and technology category where I can put all my courses related to that category here. And for that you need to go into your settings, site administration things, where you can set all your categories. But we will not be discussing the administration part. We are here discussing the teacher part, where how we can design our courses. This is the format. I wanted to change it from weekly to topic format. Save and return. So now it's into topic format. And these these are the announcement. I can simply click here and I can change it. I can give my schedule. I can give any information that I wanted to display in my notice board. That will be your notice board that you have in your college, in your classroom. So it will be sticky here, and you can give any kind of, like you wanted to go live on YouTube, you wanted to chat with your students on a particular time. You can give that kind of information here on the chat board, on the notice board. Sorry. So I'm changing the name. Systems, operating systems. So this is the topic, operating systems, and I am adding activity. From here I can add all these activities and resources to my course. Again, I wanted to clear that URL part first. Add. You can also double click the resource or activity that you wanted to add, or you can single click and then click on the add. So I can give a name to my URL. Mm, I want to share my Google Drive link here. URL option give us facility to share any kind of URL. It could be any your Google Drive URL, external URL. It could be any uh, blog that you wanted to share with your students, or it could be any other website or YouTube or your SlideShare, and any kind of video URL. My screen is visible, everyone. So I will just click the I've just clicked the file that I wanted to share, and these options will be enabled when you will click here. And this is the option that gives me facility to share my Google Drive file. I have changed it. Prior it was restricted. I changed it to anyone with the link. Copy. I've given a name and the URL. Save and return. So it is added here. Digital content creation is the name of this URL. Okay, I can simply click also the URL. So I can also give the URL directly, but it won't be that helpful. One need to give a useful, meaningful name to any kind of URL when we share. Let me show you how it will be visible to your students. First, I'm turning the editing off, and when I will click on that, it will be directly taking me to that PPT, PDF file. Okay, so as this is a resource, anybody can take here. I haven't changed the default settings. It is a manual uh, assignment where student can manually tick the activity they have completed, if they have completed. If I wanted to change, I can also turn editing on and change all the settings. So this is the URL option itself. And we some of you were asking me how I changed the URL name and it made it clickable in my page. I'm again using the page option. See, URL gives me facility to share only single URL, but page can consist a number of URL. It can also consist your audio or video content or image files. It can contain any kind of files you wanted to share. So I'm giving a name to my page, and in description is not compulsory. I am leaving it blank, and this is my content area where I can give my content. Let me show you once again the editor. This is bold, italic, bullets, numbers, and this is the URL linking option. Like I am giving it PDF. Only I am giving it a PDF name. Okay. So I am just selecting it, choosing the link option, and giving the URL here. This is the URL that I have copied from my Google Docs, and it is a PDF file. Okay, I can also click it, open in new window, create link. Now it is a clickable link here. Okay. These are the other settings like display page name, display page description, restrict access. I haven't given any. Activity completion. This is the part where can we can give restrictions. Like I have shared the URL option, so I can here give restriction part also. Let me share few more things here. I'm sharing a video on course overview. When you share a YouTube link on your page, it won't be it won't visible like a video here in editing mode. But when you will return back, when you will be say you have saved and you will be returned back to your course page, then it will be visible here in the content area. Okay, like save and return. I haven't given any restrictions. I'm just adding the activity. Edit settings. I wanted to give some restrictions. Which kind of restrictions? Let me show you. I want my participants to complete the first part, the PPT, the PDF file I have given in the docs, that activity, activity completion. Okay, restrict access. I have chosen access restrictions. Student must match the following conditions, and here I will give conditions. I can also give it as must note, but I am choosing must. I want them give them few conditions to met. Choose activity digital content creation. This is the only activity till now I have given or resource I have shared with my students in this course. So it only this is here to choose. If you have given other activities, the more you will add, the more they will appear here. I can choose from them. Okay, so this is the only activity I have added. Activity completion of digital content creation must be marked complete or must not be marked complete. I can choose any of them. Even if student is fail in grade, he can also mark that as complete, but I am choosing the only single option, mark to be complete. Okay, after completing these conditions, meeting these conditions, he will be able to go to that activity. Now this is restricted one, not available you unless the activity digital content creation is marked. That, and this is how I can give conditions. I can give more restrictions to my students. They need to complete the first step, and after completing first step they will be able to go to the second step, right? This is the activity completion restrictions. I have repeated the URL, the page part, and the activity completion where we can give restrictions. And when we give restrictions, how it appears? So it is restricted. It will show the restrictions here, which kind of conditions they need to complete for that. I'm audible to everyone? Hello,
Yes, you are very well audible.
hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
You are audible, ma'am.
MeeraBamba ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Let me find Megha. I can't unmute Megha.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Anyone can raise hand if they can hear me. Please let me know whether I'm audible or not. Okay. Okay.
You are
Thank you.
audible.
Thank you so much. Actually, I cannot unmute anyone. I can only speak, and that sometimes make me feel whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone or not. It feels like that. Thank you. Thank you for your response. So the next thing we will be doing is label. Sir or also have told you about label. Label is sticky part where you can announce anything you would like to announce, or you can also share videos using label part. Let me show you. Save and return. So this is the announcement I wanted to make into my course. I can drag and drop anywhere, any activities, not only uh, label, but any activity. I can also give URL of any video like YouTube video, and that will be also visible here if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can also give a static text if you wanted to make it announcement as well. Let me show you the tags, how tags works. And for that, I will be creating a book, and in the book part, we will be also using our tags. So this is the book part. That is a very important part where you can create your own book. You can create various chapters. You can also, it gives you facility to create numerous chapters, and that will be working as e-book, like you have table of contents. You can switch between the chapters, and your students can also print that book. Like they wanted to print any page or the whole book, they can go for the print option also. I'm giving it a name.
Madam Poonam, are you listening to me?
Hello.
Madam Poonam, are you listening to me?
Hello,
Hello, can you hear me?
Meera ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me, ma'am? Ma'am, please, can you hear me?
I'm not able to listen anyone actually.
Can you hear me? Please adjust your microphones.
I'm audible to everyone.
You are audible, but I think I'm not audible to you.
But I am not able to actually hear anyone. Let me just check. Hello,
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 hello. Can you hear me,
hello,
ma'am? Can you hear me?
hello, hello, hello.
Ma'am, you are not hearing me. Ma'am, you
Hello.
are not getting me. Please adjust your.
Hello. Just wait a minute, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Give me another one.
Hello,
देना मुझे दूसरा phone.
ma'am. Are you getting me? Are you getting my voice?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Are you getting me?
I'm just trying to change my microphone actually, my headphones.
Participants, there is some connectivity issues. Madam Poonam Panchal will join us very soon.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Poonam
Hello.
ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, 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 please.
Actually, I can't listen, hear anyone. Uh,
Madam Poonam, you please continue. Madam
uh,
Poonam, you please continue.
Wait a minute, ma'am. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. बट मुझे तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. हेलो. I can't take queries na if I'm not.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am? Miss Poonam Panchal, can you hear me? Madam Poonam Panchal, are you here?
Just wait a minute, ma'am. I'm just trying to resolve. Actually, I am not able to listen anyone. That's
Okay.
why I won't be able. Hello.
Can you operate
Hello.
without the headphones? Can you operate directly with the system audio and
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
hello?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Okay. Resolve actually, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Extremely sorry, ma'am.
okay.
Uh,
There are many queries in fact, and I wanted you to take those queries, please.
sure, ma'am. Please share your queries, everyone. I'm ready to take the queries.
Okay. So the participants, whosoever is having your query, they may raise the hands. Others may lower down their hands. Dr.
Hello.
Tanushri Gupta, Dr. Tanushri Gupta, you are having some query? Miss Rupa TP, are you having some query?
Hello.
Megha is. She has raised her hand. Megha.
Hello.
Dr. Tanushri.
Hello.
Hello, Megha.
Hello.
Yes, I
Yeah,
can
ma'am,
hear
you
you.
are.
Okay, thank you, Megha.
You,
Dr. Tanushri Gupta, you have raised your hand. Do you have any queries? Please unmute, ma'am. Dr.
yes,
Tanushri
I'm
Gupta.
unmuting, but she's not unmuting herself. Okay.
Ma'am, you
A
also
question.
have to.
There's a question from Kurana sir.
Mhm,
He want he wants to know how we can embed a YouTube video
mhm.
in Moodle.
Okay, sure. There are two ways. There are actually so many ways. You can embed using URL, where that URL will be taking directly to the YouTube channel. Okay, if you wanted your participants to take to your YouTube channel itself directly, then you can use URL option. Actually, I was discussing the book part. Can we just complete that part, and after that we can take our queries?
Sure, sure, ma'am, sure.
Because that is also one of the most important part,
Okay,
and
okay,
in
please.
this part we
Sure.
will be also completing the video, you sharing the embedding the YouTube videos and any kind of videos
Okay,
part.
ma'am. Okay, please
Hmm.
continue.
Thank you, thank you. So we can create pages, we can create books, we can share files, or we can share simply URLs. Few of my participants and teachers on Fostech Lab have created and designed their courses. Sharing, they have shared only URL activity or a resource, where they are sharing their Google Drive files only, folders only. But I would say this is not the right way. When you have so much tools where you can share videos, you can share audios, you can give n number of tools to your students as well, and you can also use. So this is one of the most beautiful part where of Moodle, where you can create your own book as well. You can share, like you can share notes in your book, chapter wise. So I'm here going to create a book on Linux operating system. This is the name of my book and the appearance, and these are the other things, tags and many things. But I am just clicking on save and return to the course. Okay, this is only a name. Right now, there are nothing in this book. So I will, if I wanted to add things, I will be here, add setting, save and display. So when I will click save and display, that will directly take me to the chapter part where I can add chapters to my book. Here I can give title, and here is the content area. I am choosing, uh, I am giving few more operating system that belong to Linux family, that is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is very popular operating system into open source operating systems. I am also using this operating OS into my laptop. Can I show you just? Wait a minute. So this is the environment of Ubuntu Linux operating system. I am using this from 10 years, from past 10 years. I switched from Microsoft Windows to Linux 10 years ago. I'm adding few details to my course. So I am copying straight from the Ubuntu website itself. Ubuntu. This is the name of the chapter, and because I am creating a book on Linux operating systems, and Ubuntu is one of them. So I've given chapter name. I've given chapter description here, content. In the content I can give it title. What is Ubuntu? I can select it and I can give it heading. And I can select it and give it a paragraph. So in a book we have descriptions, we have images, we have uh, few lists where we can design in any way, the way we wanted to have be it. Like I wanted to give here description, and then I wanted to add few videos about Ubuntu. So I will simply go on YouTube Ubuntu, and I will type the topic. There are so many videos over there on internet that will help you understand more about these operating systems. So the one way of sharing, this is the part, ma'am, someone have asked me, embedding Ubuntu, embedding YouTube video into our course. So I am embedding this YouTube video into my book in chapter Ubuntu. So you can simply paste it, and when you will paste it, it will be displayed here in the content area here. And if you wanted to give it a if you want it to work like a URL, let me show you how. I will type watch video. Okay, I can also make it clickable. How? Simply select it and then click on the link option, paste the URL of YouTube video, and then create link. Now it is also clickable, and this will embed the video itself in the course, in the content area. Let me show you. Before that, there are tags that I was talking about. We can also continue that part also. When you create courses, when you create pages, it's always good to give some tags. Tags help us, help your students to find your course. Like we have created FDP program in Stack Lab. So we have given tags FDP. So how they work? If I will simply use comma, it will become a tag. Okay, like OPEN, open source, comma, it will become a tag. If any my students will type open source in search area, they will find my this book, right? You don't want any tag, you can simply close it. I can also give Linux tag Ubuntu. So using comma, we can separate our tags. Tags help us to search our course or our files. Simply, it will help in search area. Save changes. Now you can see in my chapter Ubuntu, I have given description, and also there is the video that is displaying here. And these are the tags. So I wanted to edit my chapter, I can edit from here. I wanted to add more chapters, I can simply click on add new chapter. I have clicked this. I wanted to add more chapters. The next OS is Linux Mint. Let me show you the website. I just typed Linux Mint into Google, and it is taking me the first option that will appear to you. Of the website itself of Linux Mint, where you can download this operating system. I am just taking detail about this operating system from here. I can also add video of Linux Mint. This is my second chapter, Linux Mint. And you can simply play the video from here. And I can see on the left, right hand side here, table of contents. I have created chapters, all will appear here. And if I wanted to move up or down any of my chapter, I can use these move chapter up or move chapter down arrows. If I wanted to edit any of my chapter, I can use this gear button. Everywhere in your course, wherever you will see this icon, this will give you facility to edit your course. So I hope I have given the answer of embedding the video itself in my course. What I did, I just give it a name. I can give it a name, or I can simply go on the create link option. Let me show you once again. I'm editing the Linux Mint option. Here I haven't given any option. I am just adding it as URL using this link option. I clicked on it. I pasted the URL of YouTube video here and created the link here. I can also click this option so that it won't disturb my current window. I I haven't given any tags. I can give tag. Giving tag is very good practice that you need to do if when you are getting courses and when you are working on various courses or big uh, like if when you will be designing or working on your university or college website and you are designing your course over there, because there are so many courses, so many teachers are there. So when you are designing your course, I prefer you to give tags so that your students can easily find them and search them. But on working on a single website like on Genomio, that will be okay if you don't give them. And these are not case sensitive. You can type in small or caps, any of these. So guys, I have created a book where I have given two chapters. In these chapters I have given description, I embedded my videos, I can also embed my other documents like file and other things. Like in the first chapter I'll be adding files, and in this way I will be also, like, this is the option, insert or edit image. So there could be your server files, there could be private files which you upload on your server or on your private files. These are the files that you upload from your computer, already you have uploaded. And if you are going to upload a new file, you can simply use this upload a file, which will give you permission to browse your file from your computer. Okay. And the URL downloader, which also gives me facility to download the URL itself. And let me show you how it works. When I wanted to share image from internet, I can right click and save link as. No, copy image location. It's not working there. Okay, I will use this option somewhere else. I will show you how you can use internet files without downloading, simply sharing the image URL in your course. So from this gear button, you can also download your file, your book, print book, or print this chapter. You can simply go and print this chapter, the current chapter, and or you can print the book also. I am clicking the print book option. So here you can see how it will appear. First of all, I have given table of contents and detail about my user. Then there are chapter wise book. I can click on print. It will take me to my printer settings where I can download it as PDF, or if my printer is attached, I can simply click. You can click here, print the file, okay, and simply print. Okay, the name already exists. I will download this on desktop. So the file is downloaded as file. I'm showing the book. The file is actually downloaded. It is somewhere on other folder. So we have done the book part from my side, and there were few more things. Let me show you. Uh, for now, we have completed the activity completion part where we given restrictions. We can give which kind of restriction so that they need to complete activities. We have also understand the label and tags and books. uh, File part is also there and the block parts. First, we will be completing the file part, how we'll be adding files to our course. I'm going back to my course. I can simply go on my dashboard to find out the courses I was working on. This is the course I was working on. In this course, I have given this topic operating system. I have given a book on Linux operating system, URL, and the page. Now I wanted to add few files to my course. I clicked on add activity resource, and this is the file. I can double click it. So I've given a name to my file, and now I can upload it. I can simply drag and drop. Let me show you how. Or I can upload. If you wanted to upload, you can use go from here also. Like, let me use this option. I can simply drag and drop from my folders also. Upload a file, browse from my computer. This is the PPT. Upload, and this is the file I have uploaded. I can keep the default settings, save and return. So these are the ways you can upload your desktop files on your course. I have uploaded my PPT. You can upload any of your PDF file, your image file, your audio or video files, any of the files from your computer here using the activity file. And on the page option, we also have given few more options that Like we can give audio and video options also on my page. Let me show you. So I have given a name to my page, and this is the content area. Giving it a name set experience. I'm pasting it here. So these are the tools, guys. I want to show you that, like, you can simply record audio, where you can simply click it and the system will start recording the audio. Hello students, you need to share your experience if you have downloaded any of the Linux operating system and you are using currently on your computer or laptop. Please share your experience with us. I can check the audio. Are you able to hear it? Is it audible to everyone? The recording is audible.
No, recording
So,
is not audible.
okay, I am attaching the audio. Yeah, this is attached here. See, on a single click, you can simply record your audio. It will give me permission for recording 2-minute audio actually. Okay, I can also record my video as well. I won't be able to record video because right now I'm already on my conference mode, so it won't enable me to record the video at that time. And there are so many other tools that is so powerful editor that gives us, where we can create tables, we can do all kind of editing, indexing, and formulas are there. We'll be discussing the formula part tomorrow. Today we have a few things that we need to discuss. The audio and video part was there that I wanted to show you. I hope that is more clear to you now, how you can embed your own audios or videos. So, guys, again, let me tell you, this is the URL in your content area where you can link your YouTube videos or any files, external files. This option give you facility to embed your video in your page itself. Okay, and if you are sharing other URL, like your any other links over internet, then also you can use it. Just give a name to your URL and then click on that link and share the paste the URL, and it will take direct to the website or the page. This is for unlinking the URL. Like I have mistakenly, or I wanted to change my URL. So what you need to click on that. If you have given a wrong URL, suppose, to your page, then you can click, you can select your text and unlink your URL. Got it? And I can add files from here, image files. I can add audio and video files from here that are stored in my computer. I can directly record my audio from here that I have recorded just now and add it to my file. I can record my video as well and add to my course. I have used page here. I can also, if I wanted to get back the feedback from my students, this see, I have used all the resources where students don't have interaction with you. This is one way interaction with your students. You are sharing your contents, and if you wanted to get the feedback and engage them, the activity part is there. Then you give them assignments and activities. Sir also have given you assignment uh, overview how we can give assignments, where you can also give formative assignments, where you can, students not only can go with the limited options of giving their uh, assignment or submitting their assignment. You can also give them facilities where they can embed or add their audio and video files as well. This is called formative assessment, where you give the your students choice of submitting the assignment into their own choice based options, like submission setting, feedback type. I think sir have given you a detailed overview about the assignment part, so I won't be explaining it again. I'm just clicking on the cancel. So this is the modules that we wanted to discuss with you today, guys. If you have any queries, I am ready to take your queries now. We'll be discussing the things that we have completed till now. Okay, one part is also there, the blocks. Let me just complete that, will only take few minutes. See, well, when you are into your course or in your website that you have created, you can see add a block option here, everyone, on the left hand side, in the bottom of your left screen. I'm just clicking it. First, let me tell you what are the blocks. You can add blocks to your course area, like this is the course area, okay, and you can add blocks in the right hand side of your course area. Right now it is there are no blocks in your course, there is only course. I can add blocks in my right hand side of the course. I am just clicking on add a block, and the various type of blocks are there. I can add any of these. I can give tags. So giving tags in your blocks will help your students to get access to various courses you have created. Tags will work as link. Whenever they will click on any of the options, they will be directed to that particular course where they are introduced, they are given, the tags are given. Okay, I'm adding few more blocks, like activity block. You can see here, I the activities I am adding are added to here. Let me add few more. I can add calendar. This is the calendar. If I wanted to delete any of the activity, these are the options. I can drag and drop activity anywhere. Okay, I can delete it from here. Delete activity flow. Yes, confirm. Like I wanted to move my calendar on top of the course. So it's little tricky. So you can simply drag and drop, but right now I'm using my laptop. Sometimes it's become little tricky using laptop to drag and drop. So this is the only block that is left with my course, that is calendar. And these are the options I can use: hide categories, hide course event. If I have added any of these, I can also hide from here. Okay? I haven't given any of these activities right now, so I won't be using this. So this is a very useful tool when you are giving your student courses. You can add various activities, you can give latest badges, you can give learning plans. Like here, the if you have given badges to your students, they will appear here. I can also view logged in users, how many students are logged in right now, I can see here. And these are the participants. There are no participants in my course. So few of you were also asking me how to enroll students into your course. When I clicked on participants, I got the option enroll students. If they are logged in into your course, into your website, you can simply add them by choosing from here. Okay. Or I can simply share the link with them, the link of my course with them, and then when they will be clicking on that link, I've given a wrong short name here. I'm just correcting it. Or I can simply give OS. So I can simply copy the link and share with my participants, students, and then they need to enroll themselves using this link. Simple. It is as simple as that. You will be only sharing the URL with your students and they will be redirected to your course directly. So that was the part from my side today on Moodle. Guys, if you have any queries, so that we can go for the query session, and if you don't have, we can also go for other part that I wanted to share with you. That was the Google Docs part, Drive part, that I would like to share with you. That will be very useful for you.
Poonam ma'am, there are some
Hanji.
of the queries. There is
Okay.
a query from Sonam Bansal. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
Sonam, you please ask. Sonam, you can ask your question. Okay, there is a question from Jaipal. He is
Ji.
asking, are the files in our course available for download by the students? And if yes, can we put
Yes.
restrictions on downloading?
Yes, your files can be downloaded. See, when we are uploading our files from our computer using the file option, then these files are downloadable. Okay. And when we are giving links, we are linking the files over internet, the internet based file or URL we are sharing, they are not downloadable files, they are simply links. But when we are using the file option in the add activity, like I have added this activity, the Moodle PPT, so my students and participants would be able to download this PPT from here because I have used the file option.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Hanji.
Hello, Hanji ma'am, have I made it clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am, please. There is
Okay.
another question from Dr. Preeti
Hanji.
Sangwan. Is it
Mm-hmm.
secure? Is the site secure and more secure if the college, institution, or university take it on its own server? She's
uh,
asking whether this site, this Moodle, is secure or not.
okay, Moodle site. See,
Uh-huh.
Moodle is very secure, I would say, ma'am. Actually, you can give any kind of restrictions and security reasons for a Moodle website. Like we have given the course on first tech lab, so we have given a enrollment key, so anybody cannot randomly add into my course. I would share until and unless I won't share the enrollment key, no one can enroll into my course. This is the first security that I am using. I can also add further more security, like I can give uh, attendance key also there, so that my students have to mark their attendance and that key will be shared by me only as a teacher. So these kind of securities make it more powerful and more secure actually. And the files are completely they classes and courses we are creating are completely closed rooms, not open. We can also edit the changes settings, like if wanted to give access to guest or not, or we wanted to give access to my enrolled participants or not. I can also restrict the participants also. Like I wanted to enroll only 50 students for my particular course. So I can enroll it, I can restrict it to 50 only. After that, it won't take any enrollment. Hello? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am? Hello? Dr. Tanvishri Gupta, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, actually, my question is being answered.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much,
much.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guys, any other questions? If you have questions, I would love to take these queries, and if we don't have, I would love to take you give you more tools and things that I wanted to share with you eagerly, because we have only 2 days more, because it is our fourth day, and I
There
wanted to
is,
cover more and more things, and I wanted to share more and more things.
ma'am, there is a query from Dr. Manju Gelawat.
Okay,
Dr. Manju,
please go on, ma'am. Hello,
Good
Manju
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, my
evening, ma'am.
query is that if we have already some classes running on Google Classroom or G Suite, can all those students be directly brought to this platform without sharing with them any kind of URL, ma'am?
Okay. Like you have hosted your course on other
Google
platforms
Classroom,
also,
yeah, it's already running over Google Classroom.
and you wanted to host your class on Genomio or Moodle also.
Yes, ma'am. So my query is that without putting in much efforts, can they be directly brought to this platform without sharing the URL or something like that?
Okay. See, the option will be the URL. You need to
Okay.
share the URL, and they will be directly redirected to the course itself.
Okay, this is the only way, ma'am.
This is the only way, ma'am. You will be sharing the URL of your course,
Okay,
and
okay,
they
thank you
will
so much.
enroll themselves, and then they will be accessing your course, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am, for your question. Anybody else? Okay, there are Dr. Sunil Kumar. Those have he have raised his hand. Dr. Neetu, Neeta Balgiri.
Hello, madam.
Hello, Hanji sir.
Madam, how to get attendance link for the students?
Attendance, okay. In this course, I haven't given the attendance part actually.
Uh, so how to we
Okay,
how where we find the attendance link in this Moodle?
on Genomio site, you are asking attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, on Genomio, it won't be actually uh, available, the attendance part.
Okay.
Actually, Genomio give you some limited facilities to host a class, but you, yes, you can give other activities.
Can you
But
share your URL link so that we can join as a student?
okay, okay, sir, sure. Let me try sharing in the chat box.
Okay.
I have shared in the chat box, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
I would
The
love
attendance
ki
option is available only in Moodle, not
no,
Genomium.
this is also Moodle, sir. See,
This is
Genomio is a
also Moodle, but
website.
this is
Yeah,
through Genomio.
yeah, sir. Actually, the Moodle gives you so much options to customize your website. If
Actually,
you
I want
know,
to. I am unable to find attendance option in this. So
yes, that's what I am saying, sir. Like, if you have some technical person or IT person, they can customize your Moodle
okay.
website. You can host your, when you are hosting your website, you can customize fully your website. But we are using already pre-hosted website like Genomio, so we will
Okay.
be able to get the facilities they have given to their user.
Okay. In for
And
Stack Lab, you have this special.
we have customized for stack
Oh,
level a
okay.
lot. We
Okay.
have given so much customization on for stack
That
level.
site always so under maintenance.
Sir, this is for the purpose so that we can uh, work on that website. Actually, we have more than 400 participants in FDP, and
Okay.
there are so many other teachers and institutes, those are also working on that platform. So every time we are working in these FTPs, all the participants run simultaneously and the website goes down and it due to congestion. So when we are mm, busy with this kind of FTPs, we put on on uh, that mode,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Hanji ma'am.
May I audible, ma'am?
Yes ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, ma'am. There is option. If we have details of students, then we can add all the students in one time with the help of
Yes ma'am.
spreadsheet. Can you show the that procedure, please?
Enrolling your student using your spreadsheet.
All the students. If I am a teacher and I have to enroll 30 students in one time,
Okay,
and
ma'am,
if
I
we,
would. Huh. Actually, enrollment part will be more described and helpful from Surender sir. I
yeah.
would request Surender, ma'am. I would request Surender sir to give more description, more idea about enrollment part. He will be discussing the enrollment process with you. Ma'am, I am just saying that Surender sir will give you all answers on this query that are regarding enrollment. Hello?
Madam Panchal, am I audible to you?
Yes, Bhati ma'am, you are
Uh,
audible.
Ma'am, I have a couple of queries that my first question is, ma'am, how much space is available on Xenomio or and Moodle Cloud?
10 GB is available, ma'am, on both of the platforms.
To the participants, to the user.
Yes, ma'am, to the user.
Okay, I think on Moodle Cloud it was written 200 MB space is given free, and I don't have any idea about Xenomio, so I asked.
Let me take you to the Xenomio site actually. I would also request Surinder sir to please join us so that we can have these kind of queries.
Okay, then you can check and tell us later on. Not an issue.
Yeah, sure,
And,
sure, sure, ma'am. But
okay.
we will surely answer these queries.
And
if you
like
have
how,
any queries regarding our today's activities,
like no,
Hanji ma'am, please go on.
I was concerned about like how to carry on with your live chats or live classrooms other than the discussion forum part is like well explained and well understood as.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am. Until now, we have only discussed resources part. Right now, we haven't discussed activity part. We have so many activities. We can conduct survey. We can give quizzes. We can take tests. We have only discussed assignment part where you can give engage your students. So there are so many things that still haven't discussed. We will discuss in our next 2 days, ma'am. 2 3 days.
Okay, ma'am. There is another participant, Nita Baglari.
Hanji, ma'am.
Dr. Nita Baglari, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hanji, Nita, ma'am. Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am. Nita, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I would like to know, like, can you please show how to add badges?
Ma'am, we will discuss badges. We haven't
Yes.
still introduced
Okay.
badges to any of the participants. We will discuss it
Okay. Okay.
in
Thank you
our
so much.
upcoming classes. Hanji,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, one of the participant has posted a query to me. She wants to ask, are we able to add content for different classes in an organized pattern?
The question is, we can add different content.
We can add contents for different classes.
Okay, like
I
you
think
wanted
she
to
wants to ask about
host
various
various
courses.
class. Hmm. Hmm. They wanted to host various courses on their portal actually, or classes. They wanted to create various classes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am, they can create classes, but there are limitation of user that you can enroll. Like Genomio and Moodle Cloud give you limited to 100 or I think 50 user limitation. So you can create courses, but the user limitation is there. Like I'm in the site administration. Here I can create courses, add a course, add a category, any of these. My screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please unmute Megha? Megha is there. Surinder sir is logging on this
Okay,
account.
okay. Megha?
Rename,
Okay.
please rename sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sorry for delayed joining. I want to take the query sessions today. So please, if any query regarding to me, please ask. Anybody want to ask anything about the Moodle and all other things
Surendra
that we
sir,
have
first
completed
day.
yesterday? Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hanji, sir, no participant is there now.
ओके वैसे कल हमने एक सेशन रखा था मैडम टेक्निकल क्वेरी का, दैट वाज 4 to 6 एंड आई थिंक हमने ना ऑलमोस्ट क्वेरीज रिजोल्व कर दी थी. आफ्टर 5:30 देयर वाज नो पार्टिसिपेंट देयर फॉर देयर टेक्निकल क्वेरीज. आई होप कि मतलब सभी लोगों की क्वेरीज सोल्व होगी होंगी टेक्निकल. और रिगार्डिंग जो सेशन रहता है, तो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि जो भी सेशन रहे उस सेशन के रिगार्डिंग क्वेरीज उसी दिन रिजोल्व कर लें आप, एंड देन आफ्टर आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस करें. और सेशन में भी हम कोशिश करेंगे 15 मिनट पहले ज्वाइन कर लें, एंड प्रीवियस डे की जो भी क्वेरी अगर आपकी रहती है, आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाए या आपका नहीं हुआ, देन वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट डे. ओके, सो एनीथिंग एल्स? एनरोलमेंट रिलेटेड क्वेरीज आई थिंक कल भी, और एनरोलमेंट का मैंने प्रोसीजर शो किया था, और फिर एनरोलमेंट को हम कल फिर डिटेल में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. दैट विल बेटर.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please.
So
Hello.
We should.
Yes, sir.
We should end.
हाँ सुरेंद्र सर.
Yes, sir. सुनील सर, नमस्कार.
नमस्ते सर. ये जो मैडम ने यूआरएल कोड दिया था कि आप एज ए स्टूडेंट आप यूआरएल कोड से लॉगिन कर सकते हैं, उन्होंने चैट बॉक्स में डाला एड्रेस.
ओके.
तो जब हम चैट बॉक्स से उस एड्रेस को खोलते हैं तो उसमें यूजर नेम और वो पासवर्ड आता है, जो हमने अपना जिनोमियो में बनाया वही डालते हैं तो आता ही नहीं, उससे लॉगिन नहीं होता.
देखिए सर, जो एड्रेस है, जो एड्रेस शेयर किया गया ना, वो आपका कोर्स का एड्रेस है.
हाँ जी, कोर्स का
किसी को
एड्रेस
भी
तो
उस कोर्स
कैसे
का
ज्वाइन
एड्रेस
करेंगे?
हाँ,
तो
मैं आपको
उसमें ये
बताता
आ
हूँ.
गया सर spike.genomio.com.
genomio.com.
आइदर लॉगिन एज
और
ए
उसमें
गेस्ट और बाय यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ठीक
आई
है.
वांट टू
और
ज्वाइन
आपने
एज ए
यूजर नेम
स्टूडेंट
पासवर्ड.
इन योर
ओके,
कोर्स.
ठीक है सर. तो जब आपने उसमें लॉगिन किया, आपने किस यूजर नेम पासवर्ड से, मतलब आपने यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डाला उसमें सर?
यस, जो आई हैव जो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड है जिनोमियो का, वो डाला मैंने.
ठीक है. वो जो जिनोमियो का यूजर नेम पासवर्ड है ना सर,
हाँ हाँ.
एक चीज थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करना आप सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स, कि एक वेबसाइट है spikes.genomio.com और एक वेबसाइट है drsunilkumar.genomio.com. ओके. genomio.com पर आपका कोई ऐसा अकाउंट नहीं है जो सभी जिनोमियोस पर चलेगा. तो एक
इसमें एज ए
यूजर
स्टूडेंट
ने
कैसे
रजिस्ट्रेशन
लॉगिन?
किया. हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ, आप एक बार कंसेप्ट समझे. अब sunilkumar.genomio.com एक वेबसाइट है जिसमें काम करने के लिए ना उसको वहां पर अपने यूजर को रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, यूजर रजिस्ट्रेशन होएगा, क्योंकि आप एक कंप्लीट एक वेबसाइट है आपकी. ठीक है, आप जितने भी टीचर्स हैं यहाँ पर, all you have now a complete website with the complete address, so your student have to register their self first in your portal, whether it is drsunilkumar.genomio, whether it is xyz.genomio. तो ये complete website है. This is not a common website for all. आपका जो यूजर आईडी और पासवर्ड है वो सिर्फ आपकी वेबसाइट के लिए वैलिड है. आप किसी और के अगर अकाउंट पर जाएंगे ना,
now I am as a student and
yes,
I want to
as a
join your
student,
course.
Yes, as a student you want to join our course, then spikes.genomio.com, then a login screen will be there, and the option to create a new account is there. You have to create your new account. Then
I have to
verify your
create
account.
new account.
Yes, because you want to become a student of spikes.genomio.com. Okay. Yes, this is the method, sir. All you have the different websites.
Actually, in next session, please tell how to join your course as a student.
I will show you the both screen, or I will show you the three screens: administrator screen, teacher screen and the student screen. Okay.
We want
That
to
will be
join
helpful
as a
to you.
student in your course.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Good
Tomorrow I
evening,
will discuss
Surinder
about
sir.
these things.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Good
you, sir.
evening.
Thank you.
Sir, Dr.
Thank you,
Vijay
sir.
Lakshmi
Thank
this
you.
side.
Good evening, madam.
सर जैसे आप लोग जब सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं और उस टाइम अगर हम साइड बाय साइड हम ट्राई करना चाहें अपने लैपटॉप या फोन के थ्रू, तो जो फॉस्टेक लैब की जो लर्निंग हब का दिखाता है वो अंडर मेंटेनेंस शो करता है।
पोस्टैक लैब पे तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी ही नहीं है मैडम। पोस्टैक
तो
लैब पर तो हमने प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए बोला ही नहीं। हमने बोला है कि आप
हाँ
अपना
जी
अकाउंट बनाएंगे जिनोमियो
हाँ
पे या
जी
मूडल क्लाउड पर, वेयर यू कैन प्रैक्टिस। क्योंकि पोस्टैक लैब पर आप एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर टास्क नहीं देख सकते। आप ये नहीं देख पाएंगे कि कोर्स कैसे क्रिएट होता है। पोस्टैक लैब क्या है?
हाँ जी
बेसिकली एक लाइव वेबसाइट है वेयर द many universities, colleges and live students are doing work there. They are doing their assignments, exams and all lot other things. So we cannot open their administration section for the learners. So that's why I suggest you to create your account on Genomio or the Moodle Cloud, where you can act as an
जिनोमियो
administrator,
पे सर
act as a
यस यस
teacher, and as well as you can view the student screen also. Okay, okay, ma'am?
ओके।
Yes, ma'am.
जो अभी
Yes.
बता रहे थे ना आप कि आप स्क्रीन से शो शेयर करेंगे एज अ स्टूडेंट
हाँ
भी एज ए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव भी,
हाँ
इस
हाँ हाँ,
तरीके से अगर
वो मैं आपको
कंपैरेटिव तो हमारे लिए ज्यादा
हाँ,
इजी हो जाए।
बहुत बहुत अच्छी सजेशन है मैडम कि इसका एक हम कंपैरिजन भी दिखा देंगे और आपको डिफरेंस भी पता चल जाएगा कि इनमें डिफरेंस भी है। आज भी मैं एक ना
कैसे हाँ जी
एक मैं शीट शेयर करूंगा अभी ना, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को दूंगा, वेयर यू कैन
हाँ
फाइंड द
जी
टीचर्स टूल, जहां आप अपना टिक करते जाएंगे हाँ कौन कौन से टीचर टूल आपको बहुत बेहतर तरीके से समझ आ गए हैं। सो आई विल
यस
शेयर
सर।
टुडे।
सर
ओके। यस सर।
एक चीज और, पूनम मैम सर जब एक्सप्लेन करती हैं तो वी आर कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी ऑल्सो, हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छे से हमें समझ आती है, तो अगर वो
ओके।
उस फ्लो में भी समझाएंगे तो इट्स ओके, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आई थिंक ऑल आर बायलिंगुअल जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे यहाँ पर।
हाँ ऑफ
और
कोर्स ऑफ
मैडम
कोर्स।
थोड़ा सा ना उसमें प्रॉब्लम अगर उनको थोड़ा बहुत भी फेस करती हैं तो अगर वो फ्लो में पढ़ाएंगी, हिंदी में भी पढ़ा दें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
हाँ
समटाइम वो
हाँ
एक एक जो लिंकेज है वो ब्रेक हो जाता है। So it's a
ओके ओके।
suggestion if ma'am wants to just to carry on in
श्योर
Hindi, she
श्योर
can.
मैम, श्योर मैम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
मैम।
Thank you so
नमस्कार
much.
नमस्कार सर।
सर, डॉक्टर संदीप फ्रॉम जीजेयू।
संदीप सर नमस्कार सर।
सर मेरी भी एक रिक्वेस्ट थी।
यस सर।
जो अपने प्रीवियस सेशंस हुए हैं सर, उनका जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है वो मिल जाए तो हम अपने जैसे बाद में देख के उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी
यस सर।
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा हेल्पफुल रहेगा सर।
हाँ वैसे तो ये जितने भी आपकी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही हैं, these all requests are related to the organizers. So Meera ma'am and Dr. Ishwar can explain about all these things better.
The
हाँ जी।
Yeah
recordings
ma'am.
will be available, and all the sessions are live on YouTube, and all those sessions would be available on the university YouTube channel. So we'll give you the
Okay.
link.
Ma'am, can you provide the link for those
Yes,
lectures, ma'am?
yes, sir. We'll surely provide you the link.
यस मैम। और एक जो पीपीटी थी मैम अनिल सर की, वो भी एक बार भेज दीजिए क्योंकि वो
अनिल सर की पीपीटी हम शेयर कर चुके हैं सर ग्रुप में, यू प्लीज चेक।
ओके मैम, ओके मैम।
Yeah, Sonam Bansal ma'am raised her hand. So can
Yes.
you unmute ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Ask your question.
Yes ma'am.
Sir, you
Good evening, ma'am.
said that we have practice on Genomio, but first day you give your site so posttech.com wali. So you said that we have to add there as a student. So
Yes ma'am.
when we try to open now, it will ask that the site is in the maintenance. That is the question I think of Vijay ma'am also.
Yeah ma'am. I explained to every participant.
Although we are practicing on Genomio, but it again when we are at open our account at Postech, then it shows that the site is under maintenance actually.
Yes ma'am. Yes. I tell you, listen. It's a Postech lab is basically the learning path.
Yes,
It gives
that's
you the
why I'm
learning path only.
So we have to go there and submit our assignment as a student in post-tech, na?
Yes, yes,
Right or
yes,
no?
ma'am.
That's
And
why
yes,
it's
ma'am.
asking when we try to open that as a student, it will ask to
Yes, ma'am. This is under maintenance,
sign
ma'am.
as a maintenance. It shows like this.
Madam Poonam has already answered this question. Basically, what happened, ma'am? Right now, a number of students are also working on this website. So
Okay.
during the
Okay.
FDP, you will not face any problem for showing any demonstration. Na? We
Okay.
put it into the maintenance mode.
And
We
second
we
thing,
put we put this website in maintenance mode, ma'am.
okay. And if we are
Uh,
adding a page of content, then
uh,
how we can embed our video in that page only? I want to know this then.
okay. This was already explained in the today's session, and my suggestion is first you will watch the today's session YouTube video, and still if you are not able to do the same process, then tomorrow before 2 o'clock we will log in 15 minutes earlier and we'll discuss about
Tomorrow you
this
will
thing.
tell
If you
also
are unable,
how we can enroll the
uh,
students one time.
and how you can enroll the student
All the
one
students,
time.
yeah.
Okay, okay. All the student. Okay. Suppose you have a spreadsheet or CSV file, na, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why
Then
that
okay,
is
okay,
the
okay, okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Suppose you have the 100 students or 50 students, and you want to enroll all at once. Then Moodle give a excellent facility to bulk upload the users.
so will
Okay.
you show that
So
tomorrow only?
yes, yes. Tomorrow I can show you, but before that, I also expect from you you go to the Genome, madam, where you have created your account, Genome or the Postech Lab? Oh, sorry, Moodle Cloud. Where you have created your account, Genomio or Moodle Cloud, ma'am? Hello.
Poonam, she is gone. I think she is.
Okay. Anyway, no problem. Whether you have your account on Genomio or Moodle Cloud, there you will find the site administration, and under that you will find the users. Then bulk upload. So before understand the importing of users, my request to you is go there and try to do it yourself. Okay, try to do it yourself. Then after we will discuss about this tomorrow also. I will show you how you can import.
So basically, what I think is, Surendraji,
Yes, ma'am.
most of the participants, they are not getting how they can join or how they can upload to the
Enroll,
website as an
enroll.
administrator, as a teacher, or as a student.
Okay, okay.
So this part
So,
should be clear to them.
yes, ma'am. Tomorrow we will clear this part also.
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
my request to all participants is they just concentrate on the current content also. All these things will cover, and this is really very appreciable that people want to know more and more about the Moodle, and they raise the question like this: how they can bulk upload their student,
Mhm.
how they can enroll their students. It's quite good, and I will say that this is the success of our sessions also,
Yes,
because
sir.
when the number of questions are there, then that means people are doing work on their assignments. So it's quite
Exactly.
good, and I'm very much happy with their questions, and definitely they will uh, find the answer of each and every questions. So tomorrow we will try to do the solve these questions, as well as tomorrow we will discuss about the formative assessment, how to make quiz. It's quite important. So come with your some quiz examples, multiple choice, true, false, and matching like questions. So tomorrow we will discuss all about these things. So
Okay. Thank you,
okay,
sir. Thanks a lot for the query
thank you, ma'am.
session, and thank you, Poonam ma'am, for your explanation regarding activities and all, and adding the resources. So, rest of the queries of the participants would be taken and would be addressed in the tomorrow session. With this, I would like to conclude this session. So, I'm ending this meeting for all. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you all.